Welcome to another episode of Real Estate Talk. I'm Jill Wente, a realtor with Better Homes and Gardens, Greene, specializing in the Spring, Texas real estate market. And on today's episode, I've got a special guest with me, Stacey Gross with Gibraltar Mortgage. Stacey has been in the mortgage business now for over 20 years and has had the opportunity to help over 2,600 people buy a home. So that's why I've got her on with us today to answer some really tough questions that we get a lot of. And that question that I'm asking Stacey for today is, talk to us, Stacey, about pre-approval. What does it take to get pre-approval? Is it an easy process? Does it cost me any money? Elaborate upon that and help us through that.
Absolutely, and thank you for having me. We get those questions all the time. Being pre-approved is actually a very easy process. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes over the phone. We'll ask you some questions about who you are, where you live, where you work, your income and your assets, and talk a little bit about what your goals are for purchasing in terms of purchase price, monthly payment, and down payment. And then we'll pull your credit report, do an analysis of all of those things, and determine exactly how much you can qualify for, or determine what price point you want to be in based upon your budget. The great thing about being pre-approved is that the process is free, or it should be. If someone is asking you to pay for a pre-approval, you really shouldn't have to, so please give us a call. And the second thing, and the most beneficial to you, is that you get information that's going to allow you to make the best decision for you and your family. Everyone's got a budget, which is the most important thing for everyone. You know, you want to make sure you're purchasing in a price point that is comfortable for you, that you can sleep at night when you make the payments and maybe have a burger at the end of the day.
Absolutely. So,
Yeah.
Stacey, in that process, do you provide potential buyers with an estimated closing cost so they can get an idea as far as how much money they're going to need to bring with them on closing day?
Absolutely. As soon as we do a consultation with you after we've pulled the credit report and asked you all of those questions, we'll send you estimates so that you can get an idea of the monthly payment and the total cash that's going to cost you at closing. So there shouldn't be any surprises. And we do that through the process all the way up until you actually find a home. We find some customers are looking in different neighborhoods with different tax rates, and the tax rate can have a big impact on monthly payment. So we will provide as many of those estimates as we need to so that you are extremely comfortable when you're ready to make that offer that this house is going to be one that you're going to be able to afford.
Okay, fabulous, Stacey. Thanks for coming on tonight. I'm Jill Wente with Better Homes and Gardens, Greene. You can reach me at 281-804-8626, or you can reach Stacey at
281-831-9878.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Real Estate Talk.